What is Autodesk AutoCAD?
AutoCAD is a 3D computer-assisted design software by Autodesk that's created for manufacturing planning, product designing, building designing, construction, and civil engineering. More than making 3D models, AutoCAD is also used for drafts, documents, and 2D drawings. The 2D drawing, annotation features, and drafting allow users to customize texts, add dimension styles, tie in data from Microsoft Excel tables and spreadsheets to the drawings, and use dynamic blocks. On the side of 3D modeling and drawing, users can apply lighting and add materials to the models to produce real-life renditions and appearances. Edges, shading, and lighting can also be controlled for the models in AutoCAD. The app also allows users to look into the interior of their 3D creations. AutoCAD allows them to take data from PDF files to work with teammates as drawings and models are reviewed. Lastly, interface customization is also possible to make model editing faster and to organize the AutoCAD tools for easier access. What is Draftsight? Designers, architects, and even users involved in mechanical design can have a powerful tool in their hands with Draftsight. This two-dimensional drafting and computer-aided design solution help users easily create CAD projects and 2D drawings and do it in an organized manner as well. Autodesk AutoCAD features. Main features of Autodesk AutoCAD are 3D modeling and visualization, photorealistic rendering, solid, surface and mesh modeling, visual styles, PDF and DGN import-export underlay, section planes, 3D scanning and point clouds, 3D navigation, photo studio, base, projected and section views, text settings, data extraction, data linking, smart dimensioning, layouts, layout viewports, leaders, express tools, tables, fields, parametric constraints, revision clouds, collaboration, DWG and image references, import 3D models, sheet set manager, reference Navisworks models, ribbon tabs and panels, user interaction, tool palettes, dynamic blocks, 2D drafting, drawing and annotation, command line, installation and customization, object selection and isolation, multifunctional grips, AutoCAD mobile app, geographical location and online maps. Draftsight features. Main features of Draftsight are Cartesian coordinate system, design library, entities, interoperability, supports various file formats, APIs, PDF underlay, community resources, design, drafting, and editing tools, DGN file support, G-code generator, batch printing, drawing compare, straightforward 2D documentation, toolbox for mechanical symbols and annotations. Autodesk AutoCAD pricing is available in the following plans. AutoCAD single user license, $185 per month. Part of Collection 1, $335 per month. Part of Collection 2, $310 per month. Draftsight pricing is available in the following plans. Draftsight Professional, $149 per license per year. Non-subscription, $299 per license. Apps in the drawings, and add drawings and images to the AutoCAD drawings as reference points. Autodesk AutoCAD integrations. The following Autodesk AutoCAD integrations are currently offered by the vendor. Aside from its ability to import files from PDFs and Microsoft Office files, AutoCAD is integrated with 3 business apps and systems, namely Navisworks, Bing Maps, and Bentley Systems MicroStation. The AutoCAD mobile app is currently available for both iOS, Android and Windows smartphone. Draftsight integrations. The following Draftsight integrations are currently offered by the vendor. Aside from other CAD applications, Draftsight also integrates with PDM, ERP, and database systems.